In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily lock or unlock a workbook in Excel. So you can see here I have a demo compound interest calculator, but I want to lock this so if someone wants to access it, they need to put a password in. The easiest way to do this is in the top left-hand corner of Excel, select on File, scroll down to where it says Info, so halfway down, and then from here you get a range of different options. The top one is Protect Workbook. If we select on the drop down of Protect Workbook, the second option from the top is Encrypt with a password. So I'm going to select on Encrypt, and that's going to ask me to put a password in. I'll select on OK. It wants that password one more time, and I'm going to select OK again. One tip here is that once you've locked the workbook, if you forget the password, you can't get back into it. So just make sure you remember what that password is. So you can see here it now says a password is required to open this workbook. So if I go ahead and close out of Excel, make sure you save the settings as well. That way it is saved with the password on there. We're going to close out of Excel. Good thing it reminded us to save it. And then let's open up Excel now. If I want to open up how to lock a workbook demo, I'm going to select on the file, but then it's going to ask me for the password. So I'm going to pop in the password and go OK. So if you send this to someone, they need to know the password to get into it. Now, how do you take the password off? Well, just like we've done, we've signed into the workbook, we've unlocked it, and we're going to reverse the steps. So we're going to select on File, we're going to scroll down to where it says Info, and then under Protect Workbook, we're going to select on the option again of Encrypt with Password. You'll see here the password is already pre-filled, so I'm going to go ahead and delete this so there's no password there. I'm going to select on OK, and you'll see that it is no longer protected. And as long as I save our changes here, when I go back into Excel, so I'll close that, launch Excel one more time, because I've saved it with no password on there, if I select on how to lock a workbook demo, I open this up, but it was saved with the password not on there. So you can go ahead and use it again without needing a password. And it's that easy to lock or unlock an Excel workbook. Of course, if you like this video, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. If you want to supercharge your computer, hit that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.